Are you a relatively new maker who wants to enhance your skills, optimize your shop space, and make awesome projects? Hey, I'm David and welcome to Southern Style DIY. A few years ago when I first started making, I was hesitant to buy tools because I didn't know what I actually needed. I was unsure what the best technique to build a project was. But the biggest thing I was lacking in my shop was confidence, and that is exactly what I want to help you build in yourself. On this channel, you will find shop projects to help organize and streamline a small shop space, tips and tricks to increase the quality of your builds, ideas and jigs to help you get more value out of your tools, and of course, full build projects to either show you how to build something the exact way I did or inspire you in a design of your own. My goal is to have a new video for you every other week, so make sure you click the subscribe button and click the bell so you get notified as soon as a new video is ready for you. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next video.